Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program without needing a website. This is a fantastic workaround if you're looking to start earning commissions through Amazon's affiliate program but don't have your own website set up yet. Let's dive right into the process. First, open your web browser and navigate to affiliate-program.amazon.com. This is the official page where you'll begin your registration for the Amazon Associates program. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to sign up. Go ahead and click on Sign Up to start creating your affiliate account. Next, you'll come across an option that says Payee listed above. Click the circle beside it to select this option, then click Next to proceed. This step confirms your basic account information and moves you forward in the registration process. Now here's where we'll use a clever alternative to having a website. Add a new tab in your browser and head over to youtube.com. If you have a YouTube channel, this will serve as your platform for the affiliate program. In the upper right corner of YouTube, click on your profile icon. Then from the drop-down menu, select View Your Channel. This will take you to your channel's main page. Once you're on your channel page, look at the top of your browser where the URL is displayed. This is your channel's web address. Go ahead and copy this link. It's going to act as your website URL for the Amazon affiliate application. Switch back to the Amazon affiliate tab. Look for the field labeled Enter Website. This is where you'll paste the YouTube channel URL you just copied. Paste it into the designated field, then click Add. This officially registers your YouTube channel as your platform for affiliate marketing. After adding your channel URL, click Next to continue with the application. You'll then see a prompt asking a question. Click No, followed by Confirm. These quick selections help Amazon understand your affiliate intentions and verify your application details. Now you'll need to enter all the required information in the fields provided. This typically includes details about your channel, how you plan to drive traffic, and other relevant information about your promotional methods. Take your time filling this out accurately, as it helps Amazon approve your application. Once you've entered everything, click Finish. The final step is to continue answering all the required information that Amazon asks for. This might include tax information, payment preferences, and additional details about how you'll be promoting Amazon products through your YouTube channel. Complete each section thoroughly to ensure your application is processed smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully applied for the Amazon affiliate program using your YouTube channel instead of a traditional website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.